Hey everyone, so today I'm going to explain the distance, speed, time triangle, or time, distance, speed. I guess it doesn't really matter how you say it, but we've got the distance, speed, and time in a triangle, and if you cover up one of them, it will show you how to work it out. So for example, if we want to work out distance, we'd cover it up, and that leaves us with s times t. It'd be speed times time. So if we wanted to work out time, it'd be distance divided by speed. And then if we wanted to work out speed, it'd be distance divided by time. So it's quite I guess a nifty, I mean, who says nifty? But it's kind of a nifty like triangle, quite useful, and it shows you how to multiply or divide to work out distance, speed, or time. So we've got a little guy here driving in his car. Now, questions like this will normally be quite wordy. I didn't do it wordy just because I didn't think I'd have space, but they might be like, oh, someone is driving at X miles an hour and they have this far to go. So it's really important for you to identify the distance, speed, or time. Work out what they're asking you to work out. In this example, we're going to be working out time, and we're given distance and speed. So we've got our little person here driving along. Now, we're told they are driving at 60 miles an hour speed, and the distance is 180 miles an hour. We need to work out how long it takes for them to get there. So if we're working out time, we have to do distance divided by speed. So we have 180 miles divided by 60 miles per hour. So 180 divided by 60 is going to be 3. So it's going to be equal to 3. And maybe someone else can explain this in the comments, but I find it very confusing how, you have the PH on the bottom, like the miles cancel out, and then you kind of have the hour on the bottom. But I guess, looking into it, the way you know the unit of measure, it's however you measured your speed. So let's say you are working out time. It's kind of hard to explain, but you see you have per hour here, so when you're dividing these, it's going to be by the hour. That's the best way I can probably explain it. I feel like it's quite hard to explain how they would cancel out here and you're left with the hours, but that's kind of the best way. I've kind of found online to explain it. So you basically take distance divided by speed, so 180 divided by 60 is 3, and it's going to be hours because you have the hours as the measure of speed. So if you wanted to work out speed, distance, or even time again, you would just cover the one which you want to work out and then just sub in the values. Hopefully that made sense. Hopefully it was clear. If you do have comments or questions, you can let me know. And best of luck with your maths.